Hey folks, this is the Moto Edge Plus for 2023. Yeah, check it out. Pretty nice little phone. So in terms of specs, in case you're wondering, this is the exact same phone, pretty much, as the Moto Edge 40 Pro in the rest of the world. And here in the US, we get it with a few modifications. Specifically, there's a larger 5100 milliamp hour battery, but we get 68 watt charging, whereas the rest of the world is 4600 milliamp hour and 125 watt charging. So that's basically the big change here. The rest of it is the same. You still get a beautiful aluminum frame, as you can see here. Nothing on the left. On the bottom here, you've got the SIM tray, secondary mic, USB-C, and one of the two speakers. And on the right here, you have a power lock key, volume rocker, another microphone, and you can see some antenna bands because this is a metal frame. Speaker on top, and another microphone. Yeah, and so in terms of cameras, again, these are the same. 50 megapixel f/1.8 main sensor with OIS and phase detect autofocus. We have a 50 megapixel ultra wide as well with autofocus, which lets you do macro photography. It's a smaller sensor than the main sensor. There is a 12 megapixel f/1.6 2x telephoto, so that's nice. That's like a portrait lens. Doesn't have OIS though, but it does have autofocus. And then you see the LED flash. In front here, you have a 60 megapixel front-facing camera. But under the hood, you have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, of course, and lots of RAM and storage. This doesn't actually get the 12 gigs that the international version gets, but it does get 8 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. Like, that's the default, so that's quite a bit. No micro SD. Of course, you get wireless charging on this phone, 15 watt. And yeah, in terms of storage and RAM, that's fine. $799 though for all of that. It's not a bad deal when you consider how much storage you're getting. In terms of display, we get a 6.7-inch display. That's a 1080p panel, OLED of course, with 165 hertz refresh rate. Yeah, that's pretty amazing. There's an in-display fingerprint sensor down there as well. So there's that. And then that's it, basically. So stay tuned for more videos, folks. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, click the little notification bell. Comment below and tell me, is this the flagship you were looking for? Is this the Moto for you? And remember that this is a compliment to my podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. Please subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you want my thoughts on this phone, yes, listen to the podcast. Also, help me out on Patreon if you can. There is a Patreon, and I would appreciate your help if you can contribute. You get a bunch of perks there, including a video version of the podcast ahead of the audio version, and Discord, and a bunch of other things. Stay tuned for more videos. Cheers, everybody.